In this video, I want to quickly cover a change that has occurred with newer Wacom tablets as of version 2017. The brush sensitivity levels have changed dramatically. The Intuos 3 version and older were limited to 1000 levels of sensitivity, whereas version 4, 5, and Intuos Pro versions were roughly around 2000 levels, but that was increased to 8,000 as of version 2017. So let me go to the Wacom website, and you can see with the new Wacom Intuos Pro 2017, it has 8,192 levels of pen pressure. So let's go back to 3D Coat. If I go to the Edit menu under Preferences and go from the General tab to the Brushing tab here, you'll see a parameter for brush sensitivity. The default value is set at 1. I'll go ahead and hit OK. I'll use something like a clay brush, and I'll bring this depth level down to somewhere around 20 or so it's not too large. As I brush, I'm going to start lightly and then press harder. Not any real change, actually. So let's go to the Edit menu under Preferences, and I'm going to reduce that down to 0.1. Now when I press lightly and then press harder, you can see quite a change. If you are using anything older than the Intuos Pro 2017, then the default level of 1 is probably what you want. But again, if you have the newer one, you probably want to adjust your brush settings accordingly. You don't necessarily have to bring it down to this low. It could be 0.2, 0.5, but you need to make that adjustment manually. And with that, we will conclude this notification of changes to the Wacom tablet pressure levels and the need to change the settings in 3D Coat's Preferences panel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.